Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will discuss a little bit about Amazon PPC. As you can see, my website uh, is already live, and you can go to my website and look at the services. If you want my help, you can contact me. You can schedule a call. You can contact us and look at our services, podcast, case studies, testimonials. amzppcsolutions.com. So basically, whenever you launch PPC campaigns, before that you must have the data, keyword list. You must have market segmentation, market complete analysis, that what you are gonna do and how you are gonna do, and to whom you are gonna compete, who is your competitor. Always focus on that to get more organic rank through PPC. PPC is like you are advertising your product, you are showing your product to consumers, to buyers, and make sure that the PPC is not gonna work if your content listing is not well optimized and it's not catchy. Like, let's say you are working with creepy images, but that you are offering very lower price, that it's not lower than market but at least a lower price, that is also not gonna work. The most important thing, always keep everything perfect, so you will get the results with PPC. For example, Amazon PPC pay per click, Amazon advertising, and you are going to launch keywords. If it's a newly launched product, I would say that most important 10-20 keywords you should work on that, build your relevancy, and then work on that keywords, work with those keywords to get more rank, to get sales, to get organic ranking, to get that PPC orders, obviously organic orders as well. After that, I would say that work with those keywords at least with 1-2 months, and after that go with other keywords, launch them and get the results. Always stay at top of search. Sometimes you do not have the budget and your product is a low ticket product, so you can do one more thing, that try to get sales from second page. If you are getting sales from a few sales from second page, it's fine. At least you are not spending that much, at least you are not losing that much money than first page. If you are on first page at on top of search placement, that means you are spending money, you are spending money to get that rank, and if your margins are low, that means totally you are gonna survive. So in this scenario, you have to check your organic ranking and work on that to get more sales, to save your spend. If you are spending in the ranking phase, if you are spending, it's fine, because this is a ranking phase. In the ranking phase, you will only lose the money, you're not gonna get anything, any fruit, any juice, nothing. Build that relevancy first and then work on that, you will get the results. If there's no relevancy in the Amazon algorithm for your product, that means your product is still saturated in the algorithm, and algorithm is not understanding what actually you are selling, how you are selling, and why you are selling. So you have to build that relevancy. Don't be too higher bidder, always be a always bid with strategic bidder. And if you go with high bids, make sure that your PPC definitely, your ACoS definitely will jump high. Optimization is must. You must set your goal, like what are your goals with PPC, that you want to grow sales, you want to lower your ACoS, you want to grow your ROI, like that. So ROAS is also very important in this game. You also need to check every day that which campaign is performing, which is not performing, and where is your ACoS today and where is tomorrow, based on the data. Don't make any decision without data. You always have to make decision with data. Look at data, download the weekly report, monthly report, look at the data, do the comparison, uh, with previous last month, with last week data, and with the current week data, and look at that, what is the difference there. Also, let's say your ACoS is very high and you want to decrease that, so optimize the bids, lower it will lower your ACoS. Also, save your wasted spend. Once you start saving your wasted spend, definitely your ACoS will get down. Also, you have to keep a sharp eye on the clicks, that how many clicks you are getting for one order. Let's say you are getting 30 clicks and one order, it's not gonna make sense. You have to optimize it. Definitely you need to optimize it. And yeah, like that. You can use the tools as well for the to look at more data. I mean, like Preptua, like Salix. These are the tools as well, and there is few more tools as well. Seller Metrics is there. Like that. In this scenario, but that tool are definitely paid, not free. So you better, if you cannot spend that money, you have to go with your manual data driven approach. You have to do manual analysis. If the things like, if a keyword is not working after 3 or 4 or 5 time optimization, that means close that keyword at a moment, or lower that bid as much as you can, lower that and put it in a separate portfolio. Create a portfolio and put it in a separate portfolio. Portfolio is also very important, very important. And then after 2-3 months, you can again look into that keyword and you can again start optimization. But make sure that keyword negative is also very important, very important. And the other thing, that if a keyword is very high relevant with your product, then you should not close it. And on the other hand, before doing anything, you should have market segmentation, market analysis, um, who are your competitor, with whom you are gonna compete, and like that. Things are gonna work like that. So do not go with that much changes. Do not make so many changes at once or all the time, because that's definitely not gonna help you. That's totally not gonna help you. Again, with existing product, you should set your goal. With newly launched product, you should set your goals. Rank in the ranking phase, definitely you're gonna bleed money. So again, I'm saying, whatever you're gonna do, you have to set your goal and make the plan of action, and then work on that. Before that, definitely you will lose the money. Without that, definitely you're gonna lose the money, and without that, definitely you're not gonna get the help. There is so many courses in the market. I have spent a lot of money on the courses, and I know now what is actually gonna work and what is the good tool. Still new. There is so many things that I don't know, but few things that I know, because my network is big, but my circle, that is very limited, and I only keep the uh, good things in my circle, and good things in my circle. So that's why uh, I would prefer to follow those courses, to follow those mentors, like that. Like I learned from my mentor Sean Smith. He's the best, one of the most renowned PPC mentor in the US, and definitely he work with totally plans, and he work with a data driven approach. Without data, he is not gonna do he don't take the decisions. So basically, I would also suggest you, to all of you, if you are a PPC guy, then definitely you have to maintain your credibility as well. And if a product is not gonna work, then definitely you should tell your client that this product is not gonna work, this PPC is not gonna work due to these reasons. If you lose that client, it's okay, it's fine. Even I lose so many clients like this, even so many clients, because I'm not gonna get the success from those clients in the PPC. I'm not gonna get the success. uh, at the end of day, the client will say like, hey, you are not good at PPC, so I should avoid those clients because they are not following our suggestion, so they are not gonna get the results. So guys, today's video is going to end and I will come back again with new video on PPC. Thank you for listening.